Hello again, this is Robert Davis coming back at you with a little more Delphi application development, program development. And we're going to start out with create a new VCL application. There we go, there's our main form. And first off, to revisit this, we're going to go to Project, Options, and we're going to select a style that we like under Appearance. And I'm going to try this aqua light. Run it. Oh yeah, there we go. That's kind of cool. It's not great, but it's alright. Gives you a different look and feel though. Anyway, what we want to do is go to Tools. This is really important. With this GetIt package manager, there are a slew of packages that can be installed into Delphi to make your development so much easier and more robust. Your application can really do things that it wouldn't be able to do with just standard components. So let's get into this. Want to check free. This takes a while because there's so many of them. And let's see. Got to look through here carefully. You see, I have some already installed. Fast report for FireMonkey. That's pretty funny. I don't do FireMonkey at this point. But you see, there's just a slew of free ones or trials. That may be the better thing to say. Trials, but many of them are in fact free. I'm interested in smart enabling my house. Okay, where is this? There are so many of these. You see this scroll thing's not even halfway down. We'll find it. We'll find it. Meanwhile, I'm using the new Camtasia, which is the sister product to Snagit, which I was using. And I got that tonight. Orpheus VCL. Maybe we can start with this. Counters, clocks, objects, bear, lookout, bar, report views. Let's go ahead and... No, we didn't want to do that. That wasn't what we wanted to do. We want to install. See, this one is free. Orpheus has been around a long, long time. It's really good stuff. And we'll go through some of the controls that are interesting. Come on, baby, you can do it. There's some kind of warning there. Process completed successfully. Great. Okay, we can close GetIt. Oh, that's the license block. It's finishing up, I believe. We can close that. Okay, now let's go look for Orpheus tab. Orpheus, yeah. We want Orpheus Journal. Let's start there. And let's try the lookout bar. And what we'll do is align this. No, not the events. We want the properties. Let's align this to the left. And then there ought to be a property called items. No. Okay. Well, what happens when we run this? Does it work for us? Yeah, it works for us. Yeah. And you can put different items on there. Let's put a status bar on there. And that always aligns bottom. I don't think they give you, well, yeah. That's kind of kinky. So we'll do bottom. And then I think, oh yeah, panels. We'll just add 2 just for fun. See if we can see them at runtime. Here we go. Yeah, there's panel 0 and this panel 1. Okay, that's that. So I've got a notebook, and we'll align that to the client. There we go. No notebook pages assigned. Edit pages. We'll add some pages. I'm not going to put anything on them. Just going to select page 1. See how that looks. Oh yeah. It's looking good. Okay. I don't know what a flex button is. Just see. It doesn't look like much. Doesn't even show. Oh, there's a button. I dropped it on page 2. My bad. See, we cut this and go to page 1 and paste it. And we'll put that down here. Okay, that'll work fine. Oh, I put that on page 3. Huh, that's so weird. That is so weird. Okay, let's move on. Oh, splitter. Splitters are always kind of fun. We can, let's see, we'll align this to client. And let's get that button, cut it, control X. Now why doesn't that work? Control X. Yeah, that works. And well, let's put it on page 2. Put it back on page 2. We'll try that there. Run it. And it defaults to page 1, which is fine. And here's our flex button. And here's our screen splitter. These can come in mighty handy for a very busy application or program. See what else we've got. Oh, calendar. Oh, look at that. It's a nice calendar. Let's run this. It just always defaults to page 1. I keep putting the, yeah, it's February 2001, the 24th. And each control gets focused. I've got 2 on there, so let's get rid of 1. Delete. Yeah, there we go. And we can size this. Which is nice, very nice effect. Run it. Page 2. There we go. 24th. Flex button doesn't do anything. Let's keep going. Got the calendar. Let's look at a clock. Now let's Control X. No. It wants to stay on that side of the page, and I don't want it to. Okay, there we go. And Control B. No, I don't want to do that. We'll do the menu style. No, it just won't do it. Well, you'll see we're in the app, and the clock will work when we go to page 2. Well, oh no, I haven't set a timer on it. Okay, let's just get rid of the clock. You've seen what it looks like. Let's try a calculator. I shouldn't have put this silly splitter on here for the time being. And you see 2 plus 2 equals 4. Yeah, works fine. Remember, these components are free. You don't have to write them. You just don't have to write them. Are there any more interesting ones? Well, let's try one of these. And we'll put in the property a URL. Here's the URL field. And we'll put www.facebook.com. Okay, and let's run this. And watch what happens now. Page 2. And where did our link go? Was that page 3 or something? No. No. I'll be doggone. Let's see, are there any more edits? Okay, I'm going to take these out, go to page 1, and put on an HTML memo field. And we'll align that to client. There we go. And this, well, how does that end up on page 3? I'd like to know. Edit. Cut. select that, edit, paste. So it goes to page 2. That is so weird. Page 2. There we go. Let's see if we can type a http://www.facebook.com. Now, well, it does nothing. But you can format HTML in here, and then you can copy it and paste it to some other thing, whatever you're doing. That way. Okay. Get rid of this. Delete. I'm going back to page 1, but let's see. Lists. Basic checklist. We should have items. Yeah, items. Dog, cat, cow, horse, kitten, puppy, colt, and we'll OK that. And there you have it. So let's run this. Page 3, yeah, page 3. So you can check or uncheck these however many you like. Now you can only check one at a time. I'll say horse. Yeah, horse. That's fine. Well, that's all I'm going to cover right now. You can play with these and make use of them in your programs, your Delphi programs. These Orpheus components have been around a very long time, and they're very reliable. They don't require much styling. So, I didn't save my checkbox. I need to save that to like an INI file or a database field, you know, if I had one connected, which I don't. Okay, that's just a little thing about the GetIt package manager under the tool menu, and this whole slew of packages that you can use with it. I'll be doggone. How'd that happen? Yeah. Abrevia is great for doing compression, and that's free. I don't know what a card. Essentials for VCL. Those are good. TurboPack's really good too. They've been around a long, long time. Very reliable stuff. Nexus database, that's free. It's a relational embedded database. We have Orpheus VCL installed. Let's see. Yeah, I'm really interested in these. Look at that blood pressure monitor, weight scale, Labs light bulb, multi-sensor, smart switch. Yeah, that's cool. Don't get messed up installing a bunch of these that you don't really use. They just take up space, and they're not useful at all. Async Pro, that's a great communication library for and that's by TurboPack also. It's a great communication library if you gotta do network connections or modem connections, that kind of thing. But anyway, that gives you an idea of everything that's available in the GetIt package manager. And I meant to select the free stuff just to show you, but we don't need to do that now. And I don't need to save any of this, so I'll close all with a no. And that's it. I'm Robert Davis on how to use, find and install GetIt packages into your Delphi component library. And those will work out nice for you if you use them. But again, don't install useless stuff that you're not going to use, or it just doesn't add any meaning to your program. So that's going to be it for now, and I will see you next time. This is Robert Davis. Thanks again. Bye.